In this video, I will be showing you how to create a class schedule in Canva. Let's get started. From the main dashboard, I head over to the search bar and type in class schedule. As I type, a list of suggestions appears and I select the search for class schedule option to see all the available templates. I scroll through the results to find a design that fits my style. Once I find what I like, I click on it to open the preview window. Here, I can see different paper sizes and finishes, but for now, I'll just click on Customize this template to start editing. The editor opens with my selected design and I can see there are two different color versions provided. I'll start with the first page. I zoom in to get a better view of the schedule grid. To add my subjects, I click into the first time slot and type in English. I then move down to the next row and type in Math, followed by Science in the next slot. I continue this process, filling in History, then Filipino, and finally MAPE into the consecutive time blocks. After checking the layout of the second page, I scroll back up to review my work. That's it. My custom class schedule is ready to be printed or shared.